How to connect HP DeskJet printer to your Wi-Fi step by step. In this video I'm going to show you. So firstly, step 1 will be unbox the printer, remove all the packaging materials, install the link cartridge, ensure the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode. The Wi-Fi light should be blinking blue. If it's not blinking, reset the network setting by pressing and holding the wireless and cancel buttons simultaneously until the power button flashes. Step 2 is install the HP Smart app. Download the HP Smart app on your smartphone or computer. Open the app and sign in or create an HP account if you don't have it. Enable Bluetooth and location services on your device, then connect to the Wi-Fi. In the HP Smart app, tap on the plus icon, add a new printer. Select your HP DeskJet 2800e from the list of available printers, then enter your Wi-Fi network name and the password when prompted. The app will configure the printer and connect it to the network automatically. Wait for the Wi-Fi light on the printer to stop blinking and remain solid. It means there is a successful connection. Now, once you connected, the HP Smart app will prompt you to complete the setup. You may be asked to print a test page. You can also set up additional features. So this is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.